Hi, my name is Gail Lee, and this is my Enhancement 3 for my CIT 336 class. In this class, we were supposed to add some pages to the home page. First, we'll check the home page, though, to see if it validates for CSS. So if I click here, click the Validate Local CSS, it validates it and tells me no errors are found. Since this is the CS that's used for all three pages that I'm checking, I won't check it again. So let's go back to the home page and check the validate the local HTML. So on the HTML page here, come down, it says the document is complete, no errors or warnings. So we were supposed to create a link here on my account. So if I click my account, we come to the Acme login page. Let's validate that's the local HTML. So come down here and see that there are no errors on this page. So we'll go back, and then we have a link here that if a person's not a member, they click on Create an Account. It goes to the Acme registration page, and we validate this one for the local HTML. And on this page, there is no warnings or errors. So this is my validated pages and my validated CSS for my enhancement number 3. Thank you.